my name's Jessica and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. In this video, I'm sharing 8 ways that you can store workout equipment around your home. I've been awful about working out until I found some ways that I can work out around my own schedule. So I can't get to the gym. Like, the timing of the classes and all of that just was not working for me. I'm not one to just be like, yes, I'll go to the gym and figure out what to do. Again, I can't do that. So I've been doing workouts at home. So recently, we have had a ton of clients ask us for help with their workout equipment because they don't have a designated workout room. I have 8 tips for how you can organize your workout equipment. Number 1, get flexible workout equipment. And what I mean by that is things that can easily be folded and put away. So this right here is my Bellicon rebounder. I'm obsessed with it. This is what has been keeping me in shape, because I can do little 15-minute workouts every morning, and it has been amazing. And the legs pop out and then they pop back in, so I can store it wherever I need to. So when you're looking for workout equipment at home, make sure that you have flexible workout equipment. That way you can store it in different areas of your home. Tip number 2. Use your walls and your ceiling space to store your workout equipment. Okay, so for my Bellicon, it is really easy just to kind of slide it up against a wall and then, push some furniture in front of it if I have to, put it behind a door. Use wall space and ceiling space. A really easy thing to do with the ceiling is to get one of those mesh nets that hold stuffed animals and use it to hold your yoga balls. Behind the door is my tip number 3. Don't forget about using behind the door to store things. You can get the over-the-door hooks that usually people use for scarves, but you can hold your bungees and those elastic bands, and then they don't get all mumble jumbled up in a basket or a bin or just hiding under the floor. But remember, baskets are your friend if you have the space. So putting things like your foam rollers or even your boxing equipment in a bin and then storing that is a great option for keeping things tidy with your workout equipment. Tip number 5 is to use furniture that's multi-purpose. So let's say you have to store your workout equipment in the living room. Well, when you store it in the living room, it's not always the best just to leave your weights lying around. But you could find an ottoman that also acts as storage. This is a great use of furniture that can be multi-purpose. But the one piece of advice I do have to say when you do use multi-purpose furniture is to actually create a system within it. So maybe use a basket inside the ottoman to hold your bungee cords and those elastic bands and your rollers, and then you keep the weights on the other side. That way it is divided. Sometimes you just need to divide the space so you have a designated workout area and then you have a designated living area. You can use curtains, you can use they're ceiling room dividers that are opaque, love them. Or you can just use your furniture to divide the room. But if you have little kids, make sure to secure it so that they can't push over the furniture. Number 7 is to use every inch. So we recently had a client who had a treadmill in their office, but the treadmill was up against a wall and they had this tiny bit of space in front of the treadmill. So we got a narrow shelving unit, put it in front of the treadmill to hold magazines, water bottle, because she didn't have a spot for her water bottle on the treadmill, and her weights and kettlebells that she liked to use. So all of that was used right in front of the treadmill, but we were able to use every single piece of space on that wall to give her the most storage that she could possibly need. Tip number 8 is sometimes function trumps beauty. So I love making the space look super cozy and inviting and picture perfect, because I know you're gonna maintain it when it looks like that. But in reality, sometimes you just need to be practical. So for us, This, my Bellicon, is in my office, and it's up against one of our walls that when you look right down the stairs, you see it. Again, it doesn't look the prettiest. I can easily pick it up and move it when we have guests over, but functionality-wise, I use it every single day because it's in my office, so I can do that like right before I get to work. Whereas if it was put away in the basement and I had to schlep it up the stairs, I know I wouldn't use it as often. So sometimes just make sure that you go with what is functional for you is perfect for you. Like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.